The purpose of PassPORT project is to design and develop a new solution extending the situational awareness based on aerial and underwater drones with the objective to improve safety and security in port areas. In the scope of this project, EuroCAT presents a UAV-based solution focused on detecting and identifying non-cooperative ships approaching the port. From this solution, three main contributions are depicted. First, the sensor hybridization. Next, the development of an AI-assisted guidance navigation and control system, and third, the implementation of a deep learning-based system for target recognition and georeferenciation. To tackle the proposed solution and contributions, a robotic platform was designed and implemented. This platform is composed in different software and hardware modules. The aerial robotic platform is based on an aeronave frame, and it carries a custom-designed and 3D printed payload which includes the sensors and the onboard PC, the NVIDIA Jetson Orin AGX. An error state Kalman filter is in charge of fusing the information gathered from the high-precision GNSS and internal systems for a continuous and reliable localization and UAV state estimation. The object detection approach is based on a YOLO V5 model trained with our own dataset of vessels gathered in the Valencia port. The deep learning system is able to detect both vessels and persons. An algorithm for tracking the objects in consecutive frames was also implemented. The geolocalization system is able to estimate the global position of every detected target, being able to track different objects at the same time. It is based on a Schmidt-Kalman filter, and it uses information of both the state of the UAV and the detections provided by the deep learning system. To carry out the high-level control and mission execution of the drone, an AI-based mission planner was developed. This planner includes different autonomous missions such as target tracking or port surveillance. The developed AI-based drone approach to detect, track and geolocalize vessels was validated in a 3-day campaign in the Valencia port in cooperation with the Fundación Valencia Port.